Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about what is NFT, the history and future of NFTs. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Innovation is often triggered. In 2008, big banks knowingly gambled with their clients' money in high-risk ventures, plunging the US into a financial crisis. It was in the aftermath of this disruption that blockchain was developed, becoming a massive enabler of change to a broken system. Blockchain is the engine or system in which all cryptocurrencies and NFTs are built on. Blockchain records all transactions in a way that makes it difficult, if not impossible, to change, hack, or cheat the system. Additionally, it is decentralized, which means the transfer of control and decision-making changes from a centralized entity, individual, organization, or group thereof to a distributed network. This revolutionary technology demands transparency, accountability, and puts the power into the hands of its users. The goal: to develop a new monetary system that wasn't in the hands of a few who made decisions behind closed doors. Rather, a system that worked as a whole for all who were invested and a system that could be clearly monitored. The first major blockchain innovation was Bitcoin, which was also the first global currency. A global currency that can be exchanged with ease between countries and without exchange rates. This becomes incredibly significant as we become a globalized society. Obtaining cryptocurrency works the same way as exchanging your country's dollars to foreign currency. The only difference is that instead of going to a bank, you exchange your money on a highly secure platform, such as Coinbase, Robinhood, or MetaMask. For those of you scared of the transference of money digitally, it is worth noting that traditional banks also hold your money in a digital format and run the potential of being hacked. The benefit of traditional banks is that they are insured. However, crypto is far more secure because it is built on the blockchain and every single touchpoint is tracked. This means higher security with less risks of being hacked, and if there was a hacker, they would be easily tracked. The next blockchain evolution came in the form of Ethereum. Ethereum is also a cryptocurrency that additionally provides a versatile platform which allows developers to implement smart contracts. These smart contracts are packets of code that are connected to a digital asset that confirms the assets as individually unique, traceable, and verifiable. These contracts can be applied to anything digital and are basically unhackable and uncopyable. All NFTs, non-fungible tokens, have smart contracts attached to them. NFTs are simply goods that you can obtain in exchange for crypto, typically Ethereum in other words. The new money is crypto and NFTs are the digital goods you buy with your crypto money. NFTs started grabbing mainstream attention when Beeple sold his Everyday's The First 5,000 Days digital artwork for $69 million in partnership with Christie's. NFTs tend to be associated with the art world for now, but there are many ways in which NFTs can be applied. Traditionally, a piece of digital art or data can be copied over and over again, leaving the creator or purchaser with no control over this duplication or way to validate the original work. Michael John Peters, who has been working in fine arts for over a decade, explains the importance of NFTs for the art world. It is very easy to fake certificates of authenticity or replicate art. Some paintings that are exact in size and composition sell for drastically different prices depending on if they have provenance, a tracked history, and certificate of authentication. For example, a Picasso painting that had its provenance and authentication sold for $2.2 million. Whereas a different Picasso painting that is the same size, composition, and close to the same sale date, but without provenance sold for $158,000. NFT provides an ironclad, indestructible proof of ownership, along with provenance that will last for eternity. In the future, every painting, both digital and physical, will have a NFT attached to it. Jessica Salomon adds, NFTs can be accessed by a global community from a range of global NFT marketplaces that take a minimal or even no cut, which allows artists to create more wealth. Unlike the standard exchange of art, where galleries and agents take a significant share of their artist profits. Moreover, NFTs allows artists to connect directly with their customers as each purchase is documented on the blockchain and the recipient and creator is clear. The transparency spurs viral communities and fans, enabling real dialogues between creators and buyers on other social platforms. It has created remarkable opportunities for artists like People Pleaser, who last year was jobless due to the pandemic and applying to every job she came across. While this year, she is selling out of magazine covers and sharing stages with renowned artists like James Jean and Steve Aoki. People Pleaser further commented that crypto/NFTs changed my life, not only because of the money and investing opportunities it exposed me to, but also because of a welcoming community of passionate people who aren't afraid to challenge the status quo. Gaming. The world of gaming will most likely be one of the next areas of application where we see a massive fundamental shift from NFTs. Gamers find deep intrinsic value in their digital identities, their personal histories, achievements, communities, stories, and status. Gamers spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in games, purchasing digital items such as outfits to give their avatar a unique look, boosts to improve their performance in a game, or unlockable content to discover new stories and worlds. Now, the play-to-earn model has arrived, where players participate in a game, contribute value to the ecosystem through their gameplay, and earn NFT digital assets. By owning these assets, gamers can sell their NFTs and are actually earning money in conjunction with the game developer. This creates a symbiotic developer-customer relationship versus a potentially exploitive one, and these NFTs are truly owned by the gamer versus centrally controlled by one game publisher. Even if the game shuts down, your NFTs can still be compatible and usable in other virtual worlds. This is a dramatic paradigm shift, which distributes power and prosperity. Social impact. What is really exciting is the positive influence NFTs can have in this world. Jeremy De La Rosa is the founder of Leyline, a non-profit organization that is leading the change with social impact through NFTs. Leyline's mission is to create a sustainable NFT identity and ecosystem that celebrates rewards and gamifies social and environmental good. Users on their platform earn NFT collectibles by doing positive deeds in the world. Their NFTs represent a cause or goal that people worked hard for, a unique moment in time that made the world a better place. Real estate. Real estate markets are ripe for disruption, contracts, certifications, ownerships, and claim history that all will be stored in the blockchain and publicly accessible, automating countless paperwork and eliminating several layers of intermediaries. It will also mitigate fraud, which sadly happens more often than you would think. Once more, real estate contracts get created as NFTs are stored on a secure blockchain. Real estate fraud will be a thing of the past. As such, smart contracts are nearly impossible to alter, easy to verify, and permanently stored. Any digital asset created as an NFT enjoys this level of security. Futurist and disruptor. G-Money adds, mortgages are also NFTs. Would the 2008 crisis have even happened if all the MBS indexes were fully transparent on-chain? There would have not been any possibility for rehypothecation. Underlying assets and leverage would have been able to be monitored in real time, and the entire financial system wouldn't have come crumbling down, needing a bailout of taxpayers. The metaverse. Companies are actively working on creating virtual reality metaverses. Metaverses are virtual worlds where essentially the internet is brought to life. There is an abundant possibility within metaverse worlds, where you get to design your life, interact with real people in virtual communities, design your avatar, work, play, and explore new worlds by using virtual reality headsets, augmented reality glasses, smartphone apps, or other devices which include incorporating virtual touch. If you have ever watched the movie Ready Player One, then you are familiar with what a metaverse is. With the help of advanced AI, the adoption of universal standards are ever-increasing performance in computer processing power. Entire virtual worlds are being imagined and built. Metaverses will be a place where you and your children can visit, and which will make the internet of today seem like a silent movie by comparison. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.